Hi, this is another video to the Face ID repair collection. Yes, I will do all the models there are. This time the iPhone 14 Pro for the repair. All as usual, Face ID option is grey and no portrait mode. The phone looks clean under the microscope, so up to the next step. Yes, we are upgrading. I don't need any computers or cables anymore. And it has its own battery too. Next level engineering, you know? Just connect the dot projector and copy the files inside the chip. Should I leave a link to it? I don't know. And that was the easy bit. The rest is just, well, not easy. Add low temperature solder to those pins, you know, to make life easier. Here's the thing, come here, come closer. The lens of the infrared camera is made from plastic. I know you think it's glass, but unfortunately no. So, in order to remove the dot/infrared sensor module, you need to apply heat. And as the lens is made from plastic, well, I think you get the idea here, right? please, oh please, cover the infrared sensor. It has a special coating, which if you clean it with isopropyl alcohol, will remove it and damage the sensor. Oh, and also don't cover it with tape. It will do the same effect. Oh yes, my camera can detect infrared.
Hours later.
So I kind of wasn't able to align the dot projector correctly from the first time, nor I did record my failed attempts to. But no worries, I have the magic of editing. And now the Face ID shall work. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below, or you can contact me through the links in the video, and I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.